In this video, we look at how to talk about the present, past, and future in Japanese using words for today, yesterday, and tomorrow.
今日、昨日、明日。今週はゴールデンウィークです。
Let's imagine that it's Golden Week, a series of national public holidays in Japan. Today,
今日は5月4日です。今日は緑の日です。
today is the 4th of May. It's Greenery Day.
今日山へ行きましょう。
Let's go to the mountains today. Yesterday,
昨日は5月3日でした。昨日は憲法記念日でした。
yesterday was the 3rd of May. Yesterday was Constitution Memorial Day.
昨日学校がありませんでした。
We didn't have school yesterday. Tomorrow,
明日は5月5日です。明日は子供の日です。
tomorrow is the 5th of May. Tomorrow is Children's Day.
明日、家族と公園に行きます。
Tomorrow, I'm going to the park with my family. So remember,
今日、
means today,
昨日、
means yesterday, and
明日。
means tomorrow.